Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a Diwali card. Take your white paper, take your scissor, take your black paper or any other color paper, your sellotape and your colors, your spill pot, your brush. Now I am going to take it. I am showing you how to make it. I am going to fold it first. I am going to cut it in a design form. Same thing here. So here it is a front view. Now here a card where I am going to make it one diya. Here is my diya ready. Now I am going to stuck on this. I am going to take a sellotape. Just I am going to stuck at one point. I am turning my sellotape upside down and sticking at center so I can easily remove my diya. Here my diya is done. Now I'm going to take it few colors. Now I'm going to take it yellow. Now I'm going to take it blue. Now I'm going to take it green. Now I'm going to take it white. Few thin lines of a dark blue color. Now I'm going to take it a diya upside. I'm going to remove it. Here my diya is done. Now I'm going to color it. Brown color inside. Now taking yellow color for covering inside. And finally red color on the top. Yellow color on the center. So here is my Diya ready, and few border lines and designs in a Diya. If you want to make it few designs in it, you can make it by your brush. Here my Diya is ready, and you can write it here a message, and you can give it or you can deliver it to your friends. Thank you, friends.